Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to marinate your oxtail at home. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. All that I'll be using to marinate my oxtail will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all that I'll be using to marinate my oxtail. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of all-purpose, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, and here I got 2 teaspoons of pimento seed. I'll also be using some browning, and here I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil also. And here I got my natural green seasoning that I'll be using with all those natural herbs in it, yes guys. And here I got oxtail that I'll be marinating, yes guys. Now before I start to marinate my oxtail, I gotta clean it up and clean off the excess fat from around it, guys. Yes, I went to the meat shop and buy some fresh oxtail, guys. Look at that, looking so beautiful. But guys, you're just gonna clean off the fat off of it, just like this, guys. You just want to get rid of the excess fat. You don't want to be cooking that oxtail and all of this fat is on it. Yes guys, it's not healthy. You want to get a bag where you're going to throw the fat in. Yes guys, you want to clean it up properly. You want your oxtail to look beautiful when you're cooking it, guys. After you finish cleaning up all of these fat off of your oxtail, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it with some vinegar, or if you don't got vinegar, guys, you can use lime or lemon. Yes guys, to cut away all of that rawness. You know, I'm having all of these fat on it, guys. It's not a good look, I'm telling you. Just want to get rid of all of these excess fat. Alright guys, that's what I'm talking about. Get a knife that's sharp enough, guys, can easily just slide and cut off that fat off of it. Like that, guys. Just like that, guys. And that's looking beautiful already. So clean, so simple and easy, guys. Can't wait to start marinate it and show you guys all the lovely season. Then I'll put it on it. Just like that, guys. See, guys, you can clean. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the next one and show you guys. Guys, just clean off that fat, get it all pretty and clean up. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished cleaning up all my oxtail. This is what I'm talking about, guys. There you have it. I finished cleaning up all my oxtail. Look at that, guys. It's looking all beautiful. This is my fat, all my fat that I get out of it. Yes, guys. Wasn't much fat on it. Looking all beautiful and clean up now, guys. Look at that. So you want to cut off the excess fat off of your oxtail before you start to marinate it, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm just gonna wash my oxtail, guys, in some vinegar water. Let's give this a rinse first. So you wanna prepare your oxtail, guys. Before we start to cook it, gotta clean it up properly and season it up, guys. I'm just going in with my vinegar now. Wash that off now. Cut away that rawness, guys. I'm going to be cooking now raw oxtail. Gotta wash it properly, guys. Just gonna rinse that off again. You don't want that vinegar to make your meat get bitter, so you just want to rinse it one more time. Yes, guys, that's how you want to do it. And we'll get right back to you guys when I'm marinating my oxtail now. Now it's time to marinate my oxtail. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna get my gloves on before I start to marinate it. Guys, if you don't have a gloves, you can always go ahead and use your hand without the gloves and marinate your meat. But make sure you wash your hands properly, guys. Or if you don't want to use a hand, you can use a spoon. It's your choice, guys. Now I'm just going in with my all-purpose seasoning. Guys, got my meat looking beautiful, guys, as I wash it under that with vinegar water and clean it up. Now I'm going in with my onion powder. Guys, ginger powder, garlic powder. I'm going with my paprika. Also my Primento seed. Now I'm just going with about 3 tablespoons of my natural green seasoning, guys. This green seasoning is packed with everything. On my onion, my scallion, you name it, guys. If you go and check out my previous video on my channel, you will see where I show you guys how to make this amazing green seasoning. Yes, guys. It smells so nice, guys, I'm telling you. Now I'm just gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of my extra virgin olive oil. Just like that, guys. Now I'm going in about tablespoon of my browning spoon, guys. You want your oxtail to be black. You know, if you use too much browning, to get your meat black. Now, guys, I'm just gonna rub on this seasoning now. Rub up all of that lovely powder seasoning, my green seasoning, guys, onto your oxtail. Guys, that will show you if you smell this aroma coming from this green seasoning, guys. I'm telling you, it smells so nice, guys. Guys, you gotta make sure you properly season your meat. Rub on this seasoning good, guys. Guys. Oh, I'm telling you, it's smelling magnificent, guys. It's so nice. This is how you want to marinate your meat, guys. All those lovely powder seasoning that I put on it, especially that green season. Pack with all of those scallion, thyme, rosemary, parsley. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so nice, guys. Rub it up properly, guys. Now here you have it, guys. I've finished marinating my oxtail by rubbing on all of my seasoning, especially my green seasoning too, guys, that I have there. I want to tell you guys, it's smelling so amazing. It's smelling so nice, guys. Now I'm just gonna rinse off my hand and just use my foil paper and cover this up now, guys. I'm just gonna cover this up now. Guys, if you don't have any green seasoning, you can always go ahead and use your natural season like your onion, pepper, your scallion, and thyme. You can just cut them up and just add them to it and add your powder seasoning. Yes, guys. Before I'm saying it, just add your browning to it as well. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna put this into the fridge to marinate. You can marinate it for overnight, and if you're gonna cook it straight away, guys, you can always marinate it for about an hour, hour and a half. But I'm not gonna cook this as yet. I'm gonna cook this on Christmas Day. This is one of my Christmas meal that I'm preparing. Yes, guys. So I'm just gonna marinate it now and leave it till Christmas morning to cook it. Yes, guys. So you want to do it, guys. You want to make sure you seal it properly. Trap all of that aroma that's in there. So you want to marinate your oxtail. Leave it in the fridge now. Let's put that in the fridge to marinate. Yes, guys. That's how you want to prepare your oxtail. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and put it on all. Yes, guys, so you can be notified when I upload my videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.